Alright guys, Nightwing here, back for part 2 of the RMS Laurenic tutorial. And for part 2, we will do the block section, and we will incorporate the blue line. So you can you can put signs on here, but so for section 0, which is this one, you want to go up 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12. And on the second block down, put light blue concrete or whatever color you want. You can make this your own fictional ship, but for section 1, it's the same again. Up 12. For section 2, same again. I will actually put signs, because otherwise it gets really fucking confusing. So 3, 4. Okay, so now on to section 3. For section 3, you want to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you want to go up 2 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And put blue right there. Just coming over here to make sure that is right. Yes, it is. It is fine. So now on to section 4. Section 4, you want to go up 2, like that. And then up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then up 3. 1, 2, 3. Then up 5 rows of 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put blue. Now on to section 5. Section 5 is up 2, 1, 2, up 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, up, and then up 6 rows of 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and go 1 down and place these two black blocks with blue. Now to section 6. You want to go up 2, 1, 2, 2, up 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and then 7 rows of 2 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like so. Scratch my arm. Section 7. We want up 4 rows of 3, so 1, 2, 3. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Up 2 rows of 2, 1, 2, 2 forward, and then 1, 2, 3, and 1. And like that. So as you go to the front, it's got a little bit of a curve going. So section 8 is up to 1, 2, 3 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 rows of 2, 1, 2, 3, 2 forward, and then 3 and 1. It's not right. That can't be right. Can it? Hmm. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. 8 is right. Come to this side because I'm pretty sure I marked them. Eight. Actually, no, it's 2 rows of 3. It's 3, 3, and 1. So that is right. So section 9 up to 1, 2, 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 6 rows of 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. Like that. So it's lines down here now, as you can see. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hang on a fucking minute. Sorry, I'm making so many mistakes. Just move on. Section 10, up 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. And then and then 7 rows of 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Like that. Section 11 is up 3 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then up 5 rows of 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. Same height again. Section 12 is up. Well, section 12, 13, and 14 is the same, so it's up 3 rows of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. And that is not right. Section 11, well actually section 11, 12, 13, and 14 is the same, I think. No, 14 is different. 12, 11, 12, and 13 is the same. 3, 4, 5. Okay, so just 11, 12, and 13. Go up. You want to go up 5. Up 3 rows of 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. Like that. Place it with blue. 11 minutes, 12 minutes. 12, 13 is the same again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. Section 14 is up to 1, 2. Then up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3. 5 rows of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. And then section 15, it is 4 up, 3, 4, 3 up, 1, 2, 3, and then 6 rows of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. Wow, it's 6 o'clock. 16 is up 3 rows of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3. And up 5 rows of 2. 5 rows of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. So that's the bow. That's all, each section of the bow done. So you come to the fronts. It should look something like that. Of course, do the same on the other side. And then just fill in the gaps. So then we can move on to the stern. Just scroll down my computer. Put stern. Put signs again. And hopefully the stone will go a bit smoother than the bow did. Because you look at the stern, it's not that complex. I mean, it's just various curved sections. So, section 0, you want to go up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then up 2, 1, 2, 2 forward. Whenever I say forward, I mean back. Then 3 rows of 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, like that. And replace this with blue. Section 1, you're gonna go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 2 rows of 2, so it's 1, 2, like that. Then it's 2 forward, 3, 1, 2, 3, and it's just, you're basically just copying this section. So you can just do that. Section 2, it's up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 2, 1, 2, 2 forward, 1, 2. 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. 2 rows of 2, 1, 2. That's 2 up and 1, like that. And then place that with blue. Section 3 is up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 2, 1, 2, 2 forward. 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 rows of 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1. 1 like that. Section 4 is up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then up 2 rows of 2, 1, 2. Like that. 2 forward, 1, 2. 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 2 rows of 2, 1, 2, and then it's 2 up and 1, like so. Section 5 is up 4 again. But yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2 rows of 2, 1, 2, 2 forward, 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 rows of 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, like that. Then section 6 is up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 2 rows of 2, 1, 2, then it's 2 forward, 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and then 3 rows of 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, like so. And that's what we got so far. It should look something like that. Section 7, you want up 2, 1, 1, 2, up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 3 rows of 2, 2, 3, like that. And then 2 forward, 1, 2, 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 rows of 2, like so. Okay, so now section 8 is 2 up, 4 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 3 rows of 2, 1, 2, 3, 2 forward, and then 3 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3, like so. Section 9 is 2 up 2 rows of 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then up 3 rows of 2, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 forward, 1, 2, and then 3 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and that's section 9 done. Then replace second block down with blue, like so. Section 10, you want up 2, 1, 2, up 3, 1, 2, 3, up 4, up 4 rows of 2, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 forward, and then 4 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. That's section 10 done. Now we move on to section 11, which is up 2, 1, 2, 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. Section 2, 11, up 3, up 2 rows of 2, 1, 2, 2 forward, 1, 2, 3 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 2 like that. My PlayStation turned off, but I'll turn it back on. Up 2 rows of 3 for section 12, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Up 3 rows of 2, 1, 2, 3. 2 forward. 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 2 rows of 2, 1, 2, like that. Like so. Section 13 is 2 up 2 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then up 2 rows of 2, 1, 2, 2 forward, 4, and then 4 rows of 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Now to section 14, which is right here. Section 14, you want 2 rows of 2. Yep, and then up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, and up 4 rows of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 like that. Section 15 is 2 up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 3, 1, 2, 3. Up 5, and then up 5 rows of 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, like that. And then finally on to section 16. So section 16 is 2 up 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 2 rows of 3, 1, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And then up 3 rows of 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1 like that. And just to make sure it's the same height, I'll just use the fill command in this game to fill the sides in. So yep, that's the same height. So that's the bow and the stern done, and that's part 2 done. So for part, no, wait. The deck, you want to add the deck. I always add the deck in part 2, the main deck. So the main deck will sit on the blue line. Go to the black, go 1 down, and it will sit along the blue line. So the blue line represents the main deck. So do that, fill that in, and for part 3 we'll do the beginnings of the superstructure, which is the forecastle, this long deck house here, and the stern deck. So that's it for part 2. This is it for part 2. So this is Nightwing signing off.